What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Lago_SRT. I just want to say we're so close to 1,000. I really do appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the new subs and everybody's that's been following along with the channel. Honestly, it's been great. Feels weird doing an intro since I haven't really been posting as much. I know there's been so much going on. I'm not going to bore you guys with details. But you know, I'm going to keep posting. Feels really awkward to talk to a camera right now. It's been a little while. But today's video, we're going to talk about, I get this question a lot about the tires that I have on these Velgen Classic 5 V2s. So they are 22 inch. They are, so I ended up going, there was a few options. There was Arturo, Lexani, and Lionhart. I ended up going with the Lionhart. I believe they're the LH5, LX5, something with a 5. We're gonna go outside, we're gonna check them out. I know they're Lionharts, that's all I know. But anyway, I've had the tires now for about 3K miles, maybe almost 4. And honestly, in my honest opinion, they're great tires. I have no issues. I think I bought them on simpletire, so I had them delivered to me. They weren't too expensive. I think all 4 with delivery was like 700 maybe a little more than that. Don't quote me on that, but they weren't that expensive. And buying cheap tires, I know there's some better ones out there, like you can go some Michelin Sports. Those tires are crazy expensive. I believe all 4 is like, you know, over $1,000, and I wasn't really trying to do that, especially since the tire, you know, I drive this car I beat it up a little bit, and I figured I have my 20s with my winter setup that still has the Pirellis on it. It still has some tread left, so maybe in the future I'll switch it to some winter tires or something. So it really made no sense for me to go with crazy expensive all-season tires, because I do not plan on keeping these rims on during the winter, because, you know, it's New York. We do get slammed sometimes, and, you know, there's salt all over the place, and the roads get pretty beat up, so I'm not trying to destroy these wheels. These are just going to be like my spring, summer setup, and then probably next month I'm probably going to throw the 20s back on. But for now, honestly, like I said, I really have no complaints. They're not loud when I ride. I mean, my car's also very loud. I have the cam, you know, so I don't really hear the tires at all. They hook up very well. I'm never spinning. And you know what? We'll go outside, we'll look at them, and we'll go for a quick drive. All right, guys, so let's check out the tires real quick. Excuse the appearance. You can see fully aired up, because the house that I bought, the driveway for some reason is like wavy. I don't know if you can see it, so it's a little bit of a mess. Got some paving stuff over here, you know, whatever. So anyway, so I did some research, and these are the tires. So let's see if it focuses. So 305, 35, 22, and they're 178 a piece, and you get free 3-day shipping. 30K, so I was actually wrong. It was actually 30K mile warranty, which is great. And they're all season. So I driven them in the rain, no issues at all. You can see them here. So here they are, the Lionhart LH5 with my Velgen wheels. Do have some plans for this. I have the back rotors. I'm waiting for the front ones, and I do have the ceramic power stop brake pads that I'm waiting to get installed. So just waiting for those front 2-piece DBA rotors to come in. I already have the back ones, which are 1 piece, so I really can't wait to see what it looks like once I get those on. As you can see, my wheels get absolutely filthy. I washed this car before the rain, which was like, I don't know, 3 days ago maybe, so you can see how dirty they are. But anyway, so you can see the tires, they're holding up really well, plenty of tread. And like I said, I mean, I honestly have no issues with these tires at all. So if you're looking for some cheap tires for your 22-inch wheels, definitely check out these Lionharts. And I believe it's same tread on both sides, so you can rotate them and not have any issues. My driveway is dirty, so you can see that, but the tread is the... Oh wait, no, actually it's not. The tread is a little different on both sides. But I don't think you have any issues rotating them anyway. So, or actually, I don't know, because over here it says outside. So I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know. When it comes down to the time to rotate them, I guess I'll find out and I'll let you guys know. But for the price of the tires, honestly, they're so cheap. It's really not bad. Look at that Challenger going down the block. But yeah, so definitely recommend these tires. All right, so let's go for a little bit of a drive, do a couple of pulls. I mean, you guys have seen my videos, my 0 to 60. I do plan on doing that. It's getting cooler now. It's actually been pretty cool lately, so I'm definitely going to be you know, doing that again, like I said. So I'm definitely going to be doing that again. I know I can beat that time. I just know it. I know it. So right now we're just driving down some side streets. I'm not going to be obnoxious over here. Let me get on a main road, and then we'll really do some decent pulls with this thing. So just a little update. Also, another reason why I haven't been posting as much is because I told you guys with the check engine light, you guys saw it come on the last video. We're still working that out. So finally spoke to the tuner. He's finally going to turn off the O2 sensors. So I'm just waiting for that new tune. And once we get that done, should have no more engine lights. I'm crossing my fingers. We should have no more issues. So I really can't wait for that. All right, so let's punch it here. That was like maybe a 20 roll or something like that, like a 20, quick 20 to 50, and no spinning at all. These tires just hook. I'm actually very impressed with them. It's always traffic, always traffic. So right now I'm just cruising. I mean, you don't really hear the tires at all. Like, it's the run flats, you can kind of hear them. Sometimes, I don't know, they're like pretty loud. But yeah, these tires, honestly, they're no complaints at all. All right, I finally got some space to slow it down. Get on the highway, because this just doesn't look like it's working out. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned. I got a lot more content coming. I'm just finding the time to do it, but I'm gonna still keep posting videos. I told you that. So definitely hit that little bell below. That way you guys know when I post a video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. We're going to be doing a lot with this Jeep. We're just going to be doing a lot with it. And, you know, I'm so excited. And, yeah, I'll definitely catch you guys in the next video. Peace.